This program is designed for anyone who has to negotiate in their life. And frankly, we all have to negotiate in our life. In fact, the way I look at it is that every day, all day is a series of negotiations with the people in our personal lives, with strangers that we meet, with suppliers that we work with our boss, with our team, with our clients. Every day there's lots of opportunities to practice how to negotiate. And really, when you look at it, negotiation, when it's successful, does two things. One is it gets you what you want, and the other thing it does is it builds relationships with the people you're negotiating with. Why? Because you're likely going to have to implement whatever you just negotiated. If the cost of your negotiation in winning was the destruction of your relationship, that whole implementation thing, yeah, that's going to be hard. So what this course allows you to do is to figure out how to best negotiate using your strengths. And I think that's the most important thing to realize about negotiation is that if you try to be someone who pretends to be someone else when you negotiate, you can pull that off occasionally, but to pull that off all the time is impossible. So what this course says is if you learn a distinct style of negotiating called the principled negotiation method, and then you use your strengths in doing it, you get to be you while you negotiate with strength.